Once upon a time in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a beautiful white swan. She was the most graceful and elegant swan in the whole kingdom, and she loved nothing more than to glide around the lake in her domain, dipping her beak into the water to catch fish and gossiping with her fellow swans about everything and nothing. One day, however, as she was taking one of her daily dips into the lake, she felt something strange. The water wasn't as deep as it usually was. When she looked around, she saw that the entire lake had turned into a solid block of ice. The other swans were freaking out, flapping their wings and honking loudly, but no one could figure out what had happened or how they could escape. Suddenly, the ice started to crack, and a small opening appeared. The brave white swan saw this as a chance and quickly swam towards it. As she pushed her way through the opening, she found herself in a dark and narrow tunnel. But the brave swan didn't hesitate. She started swimming forward, hoping that it would lead her to an opening where she could escape the frozen lake. The tunnel was long and winding, and the swan didn't know how long she swam for. Finally, she saw a faint light at the end of the tunnel. With renewed determination, she swam towards the light, and when she finally reached it, she found herself in a beautiful river. The river was sparkling and shimmering in the sunlight, and the swan had never seen anything like it before. As she dipped her beak into the water, she realized that it was warm and inviting. And as she swam further down the river, she saw that it was full of all kinds of wonderful things. There were fish and shrimp and other small creatures that the swan could eat. And there were also beautiful plants and flowers that grew along the banks of the river. The swan had never seen anything like it before, and she realized that this river was truly magical. She swam and ate and drank to her heart's content. And she played with the other creatures that lived in the river, and they welcomed her as one of their own. The swan was so happy that she had discovered this magical river that she decided to name it the River of Light. And every day she would tell her fellow swans about the wonders that she had seen. And even though they couldn't see the light in the river, because, well, swans can't see magic, they still believed her because, well, swans can still be pretty gullible.